Stephen Bird, Captain, Chaplain Corps, United States Navy, retired. After hospital course school, from there I went to the Naval Hospital in Philadelphia. So at the Naval Hospital, being a city suburban boy, coming from Dearborn suburbs of Detroit, and seeing all these row homes, which was absolutely new to me. It was 19-year-olds, somewhat of a culture shock. But the hospital was 12 stories high, and it had what we call a T-ramp, and altogether we had close to 1,200 patients, in the hospital itself. And it was just adjusting to this, what the daily routine was, and doing what nurses were asking us to do. At the hospital, I was HM3. Yeah, I was assigned to a cancer ward. It was on the eighth floor. So I was there for at least a couple of months, and then I was transferred up to officer SOQ, sick officer quarters. So I was there for another 3 or 4 months, and then the commanding officer, whenever he came up, I usually greeted him and see if I could help him out, that sort of thing. Then I was pulled off on the wards, and I was the ombudsman for the hospital, where I went to all those who were coming back from Vietnam, trying to get their pay records, luggage, service records, make sure everything was taken care of to be able to help them on out. Plus, I worked down in patient affairs, so I had other activities down there as well, with the decedent affairs, other paperwork, administrative paperwork that I had to accomplish down in that department.